Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can add and invite friends in Brawl Stars. First up, open your Brawl Stars app, and then from here, tap on the three lines in the top right-hand corner of your screen, or basically just tap on the Friends section or option at the right side of your screen. So tap on Friends, and from here, as you can see, you have three ways how you can add or invite friends. We have Share Invite. So if you're going to tap on the Share Invite button, so from here, as you can see, you can invite friend using your social media platforms like Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, or your Gmail, or other social media accounts right here. So you can basically invite them and they will receive invitation link. Now, another way to invite friends or add friends is by using the QR code. So your friends will have this QR code right here, and then you just have to scan to add them as your friend. Now, if you want to add your friend, just tap on the Add Friends button right here, the green button at the bottom left. So if you're going to tap on Add Friends, you have two options. You can scan QR, you can scan the QR code of your friend to add them to your list, or basically you can use other option like add with player ID. So here you just need to enter your Supercell ID, your friend, to add as your friend. So just type right here, and then once you've done, you just have to tap on the add friend button. So once your friend is added, you find here three tabs. Here you will find your friends. Here in friend list, you will find suggested friends and invites. All right. So once you're here or once they are on your friend list, and when tapping on the name, you can visit their profile and you can also remove your friend. And when they are online, you can team up with them via home screen or friends list. So make sure you and your friend is not appearing offline. So if you want to verify your status, go to main menu and tap on the three lines at the top right hand corner, and then tap on Supercell ID at the bottom right hand corner. And here go to the gear icon, which is the settings, and make sure to enable the show online status. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.